Hi. A pack came from Amazon today. Was it from Amazon? From Nintendo?
From Nintendo.
Ooh, that's very nice.
I will hang it on the wall. This.
Nice.
First, this.
Ooh, what's inside? Man, it's pretty large for just those two things. What's that? You don't know?
It's you put it on the luggage and there's
Oh, okay.
yeah, your name.
Your nameplate.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the other thing? Is it a badge?
A coin.
Let me see. It's a Zelda Tears of the Kingdom coin. Wow, that's pretty cool. Okay. What's
Now
inside
for the
the
main
box?
part.
For the main dish.
Yeah. But I think we need
What?
a scissor.
And scissors.
Yeah.
Wow. It's a pretty good package.
Okay, let's see if this will do. Okay.
Did you manage? Wow, it's the same thing. It's like a Russian nesting doll. Ooh, the game! The thing we were waiting for.
Oh.
Wow, it's the actual game. It's a SteelBook. Pretty cool design. That's pretty nice. I cannot see it very well with the phone. Oh, let me.
Come here to the right.
Ooh, nice. I would think they're Zelda, Link, and Ganon on the inside.
Okay.
And then, ooh, this is what you've been waiting for. So this should be the pins.
Yeah.
They're pretty nice. You wouldn't be able to tell if they're from Zelda. I guess if you're not a fan of the game, they're pretty nice. Yeah, take one. Yeah. We probably won't put them on. But hey, it's cool to have them. Oh. This is the most important part for you.
Yeah. There's plastic around it.
Yeah. Just get it off. A steel poster. Well, that's a nice poster. Important. That's probably not important. Try to
It's a magnet. Oh, okay.
Oh, cool. So you can use this probably to put it somewhere. Reliable adhesion.
On the fridge.
Wow. That's pretty cool. Do you want to see something of the album?
Yeah.
I like the packaging. Right?
Yeah.
That's pretty nice.
Professional.
Yeah.
I would do
Just get the art book. That's what we're all been waiting for. At least what you've been waiting for.
Mm-hmm.
Can you believe there's people that actually do not even unbox these things?
Yeah, maybe it will get some value, you know.
Yeah, but what's the point? You know what I mean?
Mm. Okay, almost.
Nice. Yes. Very nice. It's very nice. Go fast. Just give a quick read.
It's in Japanese.
Go faster. Is it? Go faster.
Yeah, shut up.
Nice.
Horse. That's all, I guess.
Very nice. Are you happy?
Yeah.